Hello, welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today, as promised, I like to talk about how to give a compliment or uplifting critics to a child. Because what happens when you see your child playing on the ground and you just bought a book that you liked and you found out that you had time to read and there was no interruption from your child because it kept playing, and after a few chapters you realize, oh, it's still playing. Oh, that's nice. It gave me time to read my book that I just bought. Then you can go up to your child and tell your child, oh, thanks, you're so nice, you're always so nice. Then a child will know that this is a lie, because a child knows that it's not always and only nice. That's just not the truth. No one is always and only nice. Sometimes you're just a naughty boy or girl, or you do something that's not supposed, you're not allowed to do by one of your parents, so you know and you're aware of that. So what's a good thing to do to be specific about the thing that you appreciate at that moment in time? For example, in this example, when you were able to read a few chapters in your new book, then you can, for example, tell your child, thank you so much for playing by yourself. So it made it possible for me to read in my book that I just bought. Then a child knows that the behavior of playing by himself was being appreciated, and that it was because it gave you the possibility to read your book. So this way a child knows what kind of behavior is being loved, is being appreciated. So that's one thing that you can do. Just be specific on the thing and tell the result, the effect. Another, for example, what you can do is, if a child helps the little brother or sister to get dressed and get ready for school, then you can give a compliment to your child like, oh, thank you so much for helping your little brother or sister to get dressed. So it gave me the time to get dressed by myself and not be in haste go to work and not be stressed in the morning. So thank you very much for your help. So then a child knows what the help did and what the effect was for you in your situation. Another example can be like, if you had opportunity to sleep longer on a Saturday or Sunday or on the weekends and on holidays, and because the children were playing by themselves and they did not wake you, and then you can tell the children, oh, thank you for playing by yourself and being nice with one another, so that we could sleep a little bit longer. So we had a good rest, and now we are ready to make this a beautiful day and just enjoy the day. So just be specific and tell the effect it has on your child about a certain behavior. If you can add this to the compliment, it will be of more value. And that's the thing that I wanted to share with you today. So if it was of value, please thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to know more about children and you want to be part of the information introduction workshop about how to give space for emotions and limits to behavior when raising children, because it can be quite a challenge sometimes, then you can subscribe on the email list and send an email to info@icaptainofmyship.com. And the email address is also shown below at the description. There you can find more. Okay, that's it for today. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.